this away. Throw it away.
Paula just blew her boogers everywhere.
It wasn't boogers. It came out of my mouth.
No, it wasn't. I heard that you're...
Our last meal. We're done playing with the chipmunks for now, at least. Maybe in the morning we'll catch some chipmunks.
Hell no, nigga.
Dude, that was mine. What the fuck are you... We're not pouring any fucking vodka for the homies here. That shit was mine.
I thought that was water.
It was Smirnoff.
Oh shit. Here, throw this away.
Paula is clearly drunk already.
Sick, Paula.
I'm sorry.
You don't look very sorry.
Well, I am okay. Look at these tears of sorrow. There's like stuff stuck to my spandex.
Where's that coming from?
It's pinching me in the butt.
It's pinching her in the butt. I got him. I just got her falling down and then sung too, all at once. Oh shit!
She's really gonna do it. She's really gonna do it. She's really gonna do it. It's Paula.
Shut the fuck up. Ow.
Oh shit, son, I got you falling down too.
I think my spandex ripped.
Son, send me the shit. I'm putting it on YouTube. He's gonna pour.
Look at
It's like Paula comedy hour. Shit, you're funny, dude.
My baby got...
My baby got...
What the fuck? Seriously, you guys, it hurts right here.
Oh, Paula, you're so funny.
You didn't even help me. You're a bitch. It hurts.
Help you what? Spit?
No.
That word's gonna backfire on you now.
What you looking at, nigga?
She's cool. She's cool. She's cool. Baby, you're so sweet.
She's so funny. So like every other word is something
You've
like...
never fallen in your life? Yeah, you have. Shit.
Oh shit, remember that when they went to downtown Fullerton? Yeah, I fell.
She fell.
Devin fell in.
They both felt like they just ended up on the ground. I turned around like, what the
I'm
fuck are you guys
getting
doing down there?
hurt. My door.
It's so funny though, cause like she falls and then Son falls.
Oh my god.
He's like in the background, like
How did I fall?
I don't know.
Good thing my sheets weren't on. If I break these, my life is over.
You'll have to wear makeup all the time, and you'll have nothing to cover up that pimple right there.
I know. Stop playing it out, you freaking hoe. Good thing I'm not intoxicated, right?
Yeah, so it may seem.
She's gonna choke.
She's gonna fucking barf.
Nah. I'm a tough girl. Maybe I should put on.
Take care of your weave.
Hey, I washed this shit, okay? I washed it yesterday.
I washed my weave yesterday. Maybe if you can say that. Hey, Aldrich, what are you doing?
Why is I so mean?
You're eating the last of the steak. Well, what the hell was I gonna do?
What? No, it's so sick.
Rescue me? That's what best friends do.
I have a camera in my hand.
What'd you
Oh
do that
shit,
for,
how did I fall, dude?
I don't know. You just backed up off the seat.
I don't know. I think I've had too much
This is
cherry
funny.
coke. I smell it.
baby.
Hi, Bianca.
That's so cute.
That's for calling me a